Why hello! I watched like a million YouTube videos today and I got so excited about making holiday DIYs and decorating my apartment for Christmas. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna go to the thrift store, I'm gonna go to the dollar store, I might go to Target for some supplies, and then we're gonna do some crafting. I'll take you along. We'll hopefully make some cute stuff because I hate spending a lot of money on holiday decorations because they really just sit in my storage unit for 8 to 11 months of the year. So, you know, I just like to make things and I love crafting. So that's what we're gonna do. I have some ideas up here and I'm hoping that we'll see some things that inspire. Okay, let's roll. Here's what I bought. 2 packs of clear ornaments, gold leaf paint, pom-poms in 2 sizes, and a Christmas village with 5 pieces. My plan for this cute little dollar store village was to paint the whole thing white so it looked monochrome and a little bit more elevated. I originally tried to do this with craft paint and it looked so bad, so I ended up buying spray paint and the final looked like this. My second project was this group of pom-pom ornaments. I'm so happy with how these turned out. I think the key is to get 2 different sizes of pom-poms and stuff them just to the point where there's about 1 inch of empty space at the top. I also ended up painting the lid gold, which I think made a big difference to make the ornaments look a little less dollar store.